Yep, this thing has seen better days. Yep, this Alfa Romeo sure seen better days. My brother used to have that on carpet racing, and I picked it off of him. And me and my son's been having fun. He's got an M03, so this is the M05. And since this body has kind of bit the dust, I'm going to be replacing it with a Mazda MX5 body from Tamiya. So this is the part number, SP1583, or sorry, 51583 is the part. Gotta go with this little one on the square. And this body is for a 225 wheelbase. Problem is, this is not. This is 239 wheelbase. Well, good thing that Tamiya, what they do with their body is that you can actually change the body. You can change the body position by just changing a couple of places here. So this is set up right now at the longest wheelbase. And they do have two other wheelbase available. So they have the short wheelbase and medium wheelbase. I have to set mine up at the medium now. And basically it's all using all the same parts, just by flipping a couple things and so on. So that's what I'll be doing. Flipping that and painting the body. So I haven't decided the color yet, but it's probably going to be red with a black roof. Typical Mazda color. Well, let's get to work. There we go, all mounted back as a shorter wheelbase, as the medium wheelbase actually. And looking at the user manual, there is a part that you need for the medium, which is this part, which I don't have anymore because this is an old kit. So what I did is I actually just reversed these. I kept this on the same size of the long wheelbase, and I reversed this, and they do match the holes on the body, so that's good. But for the back, for the rear shocks, what I actually did is actually installed some shims. So I had some two shims, and I put them here to extend the shock so that they would fit, because usually this part goes on this side for this body, and it's actually a different part, which I don't have. So there's actually two parts that you need for this. So I didn't make it work with the original part, no problem. So it still works. Everything, suspension, everything is good. And I put the body on it and the holes do match. So now it's time to go paint.